Some tips for the young leaders. I would say you're all getting prepared for management. So you're getting ready for being leaders. You have your share of responsibilities, accountabilities. The biggest virtue for you all to be good leaders, your ears should be on the ground. What I meant, gave my example that I know what each employee does, what topic he is working on, what are his issues. It would be about a coverage of 95% of my employees I know.
From your term, it will be more of hands-on.
You call it micromanagement, fair enough, but it is not micromanagement. For me, I know how the issues get brewed up, how they get screwed up when it reaches to me. There are multiple filters by the time it reaches to me, from the employee to me. The complete versions get distorted. Since I know the ground, I can vet it out easily. The employees are fearless to share things with me than with their own managers. That is the kind of environment each one of us have to create. That's what I've been doing with my managers. Please go down, listen, put your ears to the ground. That's where you get the feelers. What's going to happen? I can guess and predict which employee will leave when. Fairly okay. I would say 80 to 85% of the time I'm right. I say, this guy, I have a doubt, check it out. His manager goes, does a 2 months of survey, by that 2 months he's already gone. So you need to really listen to the team. That's what somebody said, listen to the team. Somebody mentioned, I think the colleague out there, simple, absolutely simple and focused. Simple, keep it simple, don't complicate things. Keep it as simple as possible. The differentiation between, or the key differentiator would be, how fast can you implement a decision to a final execution. It's very easy to take a decision. Are you taking some action on it? You need to be fast. So the question is, how fast can you convert a decision into an action? Differentiates from you being a great leader or a good leader. You can always be a good leader, but being a great leader is how fast. We talked about being agile, being change management is key. The other thing is sense of urgency is very important to be a good leader. You should be nervous. Even today, after 19 years, when I had to come and speak about my own experience, I had butterflies in my stomach walking down this aisle. Sense of urgency is very important. Otherwise, things don't move. If you can instill that sense of urgency among everyone down the value chain, you're better prepared for a good management. I would say, rather than waiting for the storm to pass away, start learning to dance in the rain. That's important.